I'm here with Maggie, and I'm going to show her and you how to roll the neck with the best massage ball ever. So we bring the ball up right behind the neck, step away from the wall just a little bit. You don't need to be too much. Now you're going to rotate your head with your upper body to the right. Rotate the head to the left, to the right. Perfect. Just keep doing that same movement. Search the neck for tight muscles. You can go up and down, exactly. There's no wrong way to do this. Find tight muscles that are in your body, in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back. This will reduce a lot of tension. Okay, so this is the best massage ball ever. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.